front, we'll show you a bird. Push the button.
Pull.
Or not. Can't hear. Eyes front, I'll show you a bird. You shot there, Lex.
Okay then.
We showed everybody else a bird. You shot at it. It's okay.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Pull. Maybe next time.
Pull. Pull.
Nice hit. Nice hit.
Direct hit.
That was
Pull.
good. Yeah.
Green.
Ready on one.
Pull.
Oh, nice hit, Brad.
Pull.
Chipped it.
Yeah.
Pull.
Nice hit.
Pull.
Come.
Pull.
The bird was going this way. You were going this way. You got a bead on the bird, and you stopped,
I stopped.
and you shot.
Yeah.
The bird's going this way. You're going this way. You get a bead on the bird.
Get it.
Keep going
Oh,
and shoot. So nice, smooth right through the bird.
I understand.
All right.
Okay.
So the bird explodes. The gun's still moving.
I was on that last
Right.
year, same thing.
Yeah.
Pull.
Nice hit. Smashed it.
Pull. Pull. Pull.
Pull.
Nice. Pull.
Having fun now, aren't you?
Oh yeah.
It's just.
Ready on one?
It's just hard. You gotta get used to that.
Yeah.
But he told me, like, he goes, he keeps stopping.
Pull.
That's why you're missing your shots.
Smooth.
Pull.
I don't know why I like misses.
I don't know either.
Pull.
Nice hit. Nice hit. That was very smooth.
Pull.
Just
But
very
I almost
smooth.
stopped. I almost stopped, but you know what I'm trying
Very
to say?
smooth. Yeah.
You